Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you another daily work from home job lead. It's been a little while since I did a longer video with multiple job leads in one video, but that is what we are doing today. We have 5 different jobs, 5 different companies, 5 different job leads that are all non-phone based. These are on the customer service like chat side or the data entry side. I will go ahead and say all 5 of these are for my United States folks only. For my international folks, I did post a video recently that had multiple job leads in it that are hiring worldwide, but unfortunately, these 5 non-phone positions are US only. So without making this video very long, we'll go ahead and dive on in. The company Paychex is hiring a customer service representative. They are looking for someone to work with their funding-only client base to prepare weekly funding packets and routine customer service. Now, customer service does not always mean phone-based. They are looking for someone to prepare the weekly packets for invoices purchased, accounts receivable activity, and reserve analysis. They're looking for someone to complete data entry for invoices purchased, provide timely and professional responses to the customer inquiries, track and analyze the weekly invoice information to look for inconsistencies, and prepare and distribute any reports to senior management. So you will basically be entering invoices. It says the person that fills this role can work from home, or if you are near the office in Highlands Hills, Ohio, you can choose to work from the local office. They are looking for someone to work Monday through Friday, 8:30 a.m. to 5 o'clock p.m. Eastern Time because that is their time zone. It notes if a person is hired outside of this time zone, you'll need to adjust your schedule to work those hours. So you'll need to convert that time zone into your time zone to make sure the hours will work for you. They are requiring a high school diploma and they prefer an associate's degree in accounting or related field, but that is preferred, not required. And they're looking for anyone who has comparable work experience. Now, they do pay from a range of $16 an hour to $20 an hour, and they offer a benefit package that includes medical, dental, vision, 401k, and paid time off. Next up, we have a position that is for those of you looking for part-time or weekend work. The company Pinger is looking for a customer support advocate to help manage their growing user base and provide a positive experience to users within their application. So you'll be communicating with them through different communication channels that include email, chat, and SMS text message. So these are all text-based chat. These are no phone, no verbal. And you'll have to manage that all through the CRM tool that they use, which is Zendesk. Now, like I said, this is a part-time. They're looking for someone to either work Saturday and Sunday, 2 p.m. to 10 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, or Thursday through Sunday, 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So it's nights, weekends. If that is what you're looking for, supplemental income to your full-time job, this is for you. You'll be managing the request through the Pinger support system. You'll be engaging with users to understand their support needs. You'll also help analyze, monitor, and respond to any user complaints. So they are looking for someone who has a basic knowledge of mobile operations software, particularly the 2 main ones, which are iOS for Apple and Android. Someone who has 1 to 3 years of customer service experience and has great verbal and written communication skills. Now, unfortunately for this position, they did not post the salary. You will have to ask that at the time of the interview. Moving right along, this next one is a full-time job, and it is another chat room operator. So the company Drips is looking for a customer experience chat room operator. So again, this is non-phone chat-based. Now, they are an AI company, and they're looking to build their customer service for the AI base. It does say this is a full-time role eligible with benefits, And Drip staffs their service 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So it says they are searching for candidates to fill all time slots. So you may be able to get a flexible schedule or a different schedule besides the normal 8 to 5 if you're looking for something different. They are looking for someone to quickly and accurately respond to inbound messages via their chat room, leading to questions and concerns that are brought up by members. So you'll have to create quick responses, and you'll have to escalate any conversations to leaderships that you feel need escalating. They want you to be able to maintain 98% accuracy in handling the customers, and so your replies have to be 60 replies per every hour worked. Of course, they don't require a college degree. They only require a high school diploma or equivalent, and they're looking for someone who has experience in a customer service chat room environment or experience with writing responses in a real-time chat-based environment, someone who has professional attitude, and someone who has good grammar and spelling and great verbal and written communication skills. They also note you have to have reliable, strong internet service. If you're still with me and like these longer form multiple job lead videos, please leave that in the comments down below and let me know. But next we have Pinger again, and this time this position is for a full-time position, and they are looking for a technical support advocate. You will have to work some weekends, but of course their technical support advocate is responsible for providing positive experience to users through service level agreements and interacting with the customers through live chat, email, SMS, text messages, and through the Zendesk ticket platform system. So no phones are involved. You'll manage and respond to technical support requests that come in through those avenues. You'll act as an advocate for Pinger's customers, investigate their reported problems, gather customer information, and then you will prioritize any bugs or product improvements. You'll have to escalate those as needed. You'll collaborate with members of the support team, so you do need to be a team player, and you'll also have to participate in trainings and meetings. They are looking for someone who has a basic knowledge of mobile operations, especially iOS and Android, someone who has customer service experience, and someone who has great written communication skills. And of course, this is full-time, although weekends are included. So they're looking for someone to work Wednesday through Sunday or Friday through Tuesday schedule. And last but not least, we have the company Bears Dev. They are hiring a customer service representative chat agent. So again, this is written chat and not phone. So they're basically looking for a customer service representative to join their company's chat team. They are looking for someone who has 3 to 5 years of experience in data entry, someone who is detail-oriented, someone who has great English skills, and someone who has the ability to work remotely from home. Now, they do offer quite a few benefits as far as 100% work from home. It says hardware set up for you to work from home, so it sounds like they give you the computer equipment you need. So this is great for those of you who want to work from home but don't have computer equipment to do so. They provide the equipment for you. That's what you're looking for. I know a lot of people have been asking in the comments for jobs that let you do it from your mobile phone. The problem with mobile phones is the computer chip inside of them is not as powerful as a computer chip inside a laptop or desktop. And also the screen is very small and it's one screen. And so a lot of work from home positions, you've got to work with multiple systems at one time, putting notes into the system or looking at other things, and you just need that computing power. The only thing I've been able to find where you can work from cell phones at the moment is just like taking surveys, and that's not really going to provide you with a full-time bill-paying income. So if you don't have a computer, these positions that provide one for you are great for you to get started and get in the work from home field. Even if it's not a job you particularly love, once you get some income coming in, you can save up and buy yourself a computer, and then the world is wide open to you as far as work from home. Now, they do include other benefits as far as paid parental leave, vacation, and holiday. It says they provide excellent compensation and you have the ability to grow. They have learning opportunities. Now, down below, it does say that they need you to have the ability to work in the following schedule, and it's a little bit different, but generally speaking, it's Monday through Friday from about 8 a.m. to about 1 p.m., some days ending earlier at 11 a.m. And of course, again, this one did not provide the salary or pay. You will have to ask that at the time of the interview. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, as I always read the comments and keep that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. Two videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.